As a rider, how do you find real local knowledge about your planned destination? You might ask in a Facebook group, but by the time someone replies, it could be already too late. But with R2W, it's easier. You just open the home screen and you see a live map of all the riders around you. Not random people, they're actual riders actively on the road in your area or all around the world. And because they're riders too, it's real experience, real local knowledge, not just randos from the internet. It's about connecting with riders who understand your ride and the terrain you're about to face. So ride better informed with more connections. Download R2W today and connect with people right around the world.